I am going to show you how you can become profitable with order blocks in this video. I'm going to show you how you can spot them all the way to using them to pass your funded challenges in little to no time. You can start stacking up those profitable months with this strategy, just like hundreds of the people in Search Notified Trading Group are doing right now.
Behind the Bitcoin charts now, let's start with the order blocks. I'm gonna sound like your basic news page from investopedia.com here, but in its essence, the order block is the last candle before a sharp move in the opposite direction. So for rejection, it will be the last up candle before sharp down move. For a bottom, it will be the last down candle before a sharp engulfing candle in the up direction. So what really stands out to me is this one right here. I'll mark it out for you. Voila, the candle bodies. So you don't take this exactly to the wick, preferably you take this to the bodies of the candle, and this will mark the block of all the orders, the order block I should say, where all the sell limits are placed. As you can see, after a month, the price trades back into it, sell orders get activated, order block still active, price rejects, does that a second time and does that a third time also. So now let's look for a bullish order block that actually works out. I'll give you a second here, pause the video, see if you can already find one yourself. Alright, so what in my opinion is a pretty nice, but it's also a very cheeky order block. You can see right here, the last down candle that marks the up move back to 69k. Price taps into this area another 5 times, but each time it gets bought back up. It's very hard for price to stay below this order block and to keep sell orders flowing in. Here we close below it, you can see, but immediately gets bought back up again. So as you can see, if played out correctly, and especially this one for resistance here, an order block can be quite stubborn and actually reject multiple times and be a good indication if the market is ready to tackle this area yet or not. Now we can also quickly cover, this is just an anecdote from a couple of years ago, because I remember year 21 and also here 2020, especially in 2022 with MicroStrategy buying Bitcoins, the order blocks were insane. At one time I do remember it actually being from just a couple parties having it as a fixed value set their orders, and all the order blocks that printed from it and the rejects is absolutely gnarly. So of course it's mostly algorithmic too, and these sell orders get activated, but it can still be from just one person, a major billionaire, T-wapping their positions, for example. Now order blocks also occur in lower time frames. It's not just the 15-minute or the 4-hourly minute or anything out of the ordinary. As we can see right here, this does look pretty good, right? Order block here, once again, price failed to close above, creates another order block, creates another order block here, price keeps rejecting. Here again, just a little early, still creates an order block. The rejections on this are pretty clean, I would say, honestly. I said I was gonna keep it brief, but I want to add a couple of important things before sending you off again. So first of all, it is important to keep your order blocks in line with the current market structure and the trend. Has it already seen your rejections or your bounces? You can assume that this is a valid order block. Don't just start bidding at the moment of every order block you see, because it will go very wrong. Give you an example, let's just take this order block right here. This is why I didn't cover this earlier when I drew this cheeky one right here. What's important with an order block is what I just explained right here. There should be orders inside of this block. So you want to see in a bullish order block, you actually want to see bullish price movement and price to actually close back above this, flip the candle, and you know the buy orders are in. There was not any strength right here occurring on this day. It just completely ripped through it. So the reaction upon an order block is also very important. Is it still valid? Are there still gonna be sufficient amounts of orders here to deliver price higher? Those are all things you're gonna have to look into when price is trading into the order block. I hope that helps you in your journey in mastering these order blocks, becoming profitable, catching nice trades. If you want to be catching these trades alongside of us or want to educate yourself even more, check the link in the description. It will lead you to the Discord server, and that's where you can really get going. That wraps it up for me. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I will see you next time, guys.